Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete a group chat on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a group chat on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is an inbox icon available for us just beside the profile. Tap on inbox and you'll be able to find all of your group chats over here. Now in order to delete your group chat over here on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here after you land on this, there is an end group chat option available for us just below the leave group chat. Tap on end group chat and tap on delete, and then that group chat will be deleted on TikTok. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete a group chat on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.